in your gutters, you got to get to know them, all right? Up close and personal, you got to love them, you got to clean them, and you got to protect them. And that's what we're going to do. I've got enough pine needles in my fingers that I know it's always good to have a good glove. Also, good tip, have a good glove. Ones that are going to protect your fingers. Because you're in there, right, you're scraping away. You don't know what's in there. Probably going to be a pine needle. It might be a holly bush leaf. Those things prickle. Birds poop, seeds grow. Depends on how long it's been. It's a gutter for a reason. All right, that's why people don't want your head in there, because all kinds of things get in the gutter. As you can see, my gutter, nice and clean. You can see right down the downspout. And now I am going to pull off the adhesive. I'm going to pick that up later. And like I said, I measured before to see what my size was. And then we gotta get under there. You want to have a metal screw. It's important that it's a screw that's not for wood, that's for metal. You go right into the lip of your gutter, and you want to make sure that you have a little screw. You don't want to go too far in, you just want to go through. You get a nice seal on the other one. That's gonna hold them there. Okay, these aren't going anywhere. 2 down, 20 to go, or something like that. We're coming around the corner. And people are like, wait, my gutter guard, it's shorter, it's longer, it doesn't fit perfectly with my corner. What do I do? Well, that's where you need some metal cutting shears, some metal cutting scissors. And I am going to come to the corner, and I'm gonna make a cut, a little angle cut. I need a longer screw for that one. What do you need? People say, get your mind out of the gutter. I say, get that mind in the gutter. Because gutters, they are the first line of defense.